Today's recipe is roasted cauliflower. We will need a head of cauliflower. I cut it into florets, some olive oil, salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, smoked paprika if you have it, some garlic powder, and cayenne pepper or chili powder. You see this cauliflower florets. We will add some olive oil to it, like we coated all of it with olive oil. Really good to don't stick in the pan. We add some black pepper, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper or chili powder if you like it spicy, some sweet paprika, and smoked paprika. It gives it a really good taste, smoked paprika. Finally, some salt. Now we mix everything together until all the florets are coated with all the spices and the olive oil. It's a very easy recipe, simple, vegan, gluten-free, healthy, and delicious. Now I flip it to the other side. This cauliflower recipe was very easy, tasty, and it goes well with fish and chicken as a side dish. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Enjoy.